place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is 31st and guess what, my show is today. I'm going to showcase. So I'm just leaving home. It is currently 7:30. I hope I'm not late because we are going to showcase at around 10, but of course I have some things that I have to do before we do that. So this is my outfit. It is made from here. I guess it's not new to you guys. And this is my makeup. I look like a snack. Like, look at that, baby. So this is my friend. She has been helping me out throughout all the process, the whole process, and we are going together. So she's getting ready. So yeah, she's getting ready, but I'm done. But guys, look at me, look at me. Look at me, I look like a rich auntie. But anyway, this is my outfit. I made it. I'm putting on sneakers because I'm going to be on a run. I'm going to be up and down, and yeah, fingers crossed we have a successful show. Guess what? Pray for us, okay? Yeah, so see you there.
Was it all a fantasy? Where are you now?
Hey guys, so we are back. It is almost 7, right? Yeah, it is almost 7 and we are back. It has been a successful one, guys. I have a story for you. It has been successful. It has been good. I have a story for you, guys. Dreams are valid, okay? But yeah, we are back. We're going to take a shower. Gigi's there. She has been, I don't know, I love her so much. Thank you so much, Gigi. Thank you. So we are going to take a shower, take tea, and have some rest. Okay, bye. Hey loves, good morning. Guess what? So it's evening actually. I woke up at around 3 because I slept late. I slept at 8 a.m. So this is the day after my show, and guess what? I'm going to do braids. Last year I did not plait hair, I did not. So I've decided to do some braids and see, because my hair is breaking and I feel like I'm also tired of combing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and see you, fingers crossed. That's how to be a girl. It's going to call, but otherwise, see you. So I headed to the salon, my usual salon that I use. Guys, we were partnering with a legit beauty parlor. We started with washing my hair and we started the braiding. Of course, I did not go in a dryer. They hot combed it. And today I used someone different. They gave me someone different, not the usual girl that always work on me, but she was really good. She was fast. Her braids are nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So legit beauty parlor. It's found in Namongo town. In Namongo town, just after the market, there is a flat. Of course, the second flat after the stage, you see a big salon with a big poster up there. It's in red. That's where I do my hair from, and that's where I did my braids from. They are real good, guys. They are good. This girl was very fast. She was so fast. I have problems with my scalp. There, I was feeling sleepy. You know, the previous night, I had spent the whole night up to 7 a.m. in the morning. So I went with my friend. She was keeping me company. She was the one recording this. I did not get bored because she was there, but this girl really did a good job. So listen.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hey guys, I'm home. So I'm back home, and look at me. Look at me, guys. I've just come back. It is actually 11. I went at 6. I didn't know that we will actually manage to do this because, man, this is how it is when I go with a puff, because it is heavy. You see this? We have some, I don't know, curls, so they have dipped it in water. That's why it's heavy, so I couldn't let it fall on me. It's kind of cold, but yeah, that's how it looks like. Guys, happy new year. This is first, today is first actually, first January 2024, and I'm so grateful that we're here. So I don't know where this vlog is going to, what this vlog is going to be with, but yeah, I did my hair after 3 years. I think 3 years of not painting. Can you imagine? Yeah, I've been doing a lot of wigs and my natural hair, but yeah, I decided to start a year with new hair, and you will see it later when I let it down. It looks so lit, like very, very lit. Yeah, so good night. I'm going to sleep because tomorrow I want to film some videos, like sit down videos, because I've taken long without doing that, and I have many videos that I have to film. So I decided to do this intro today because I may not get time to do it tomorrow. Okay, yeah, good night. Hey loves, good morning. Good morning. Today is 2nd, and yeah, so today is 2nd, and I'm going to do laundry because tomorrow I'm going home. Look at that. I have so many clothes, like I have so many dirty clothes down there and in another bedroom. So I'm going to be doing laundry as I do a little bit of cleaning because I don't want to leave my home when it's dirty. Tomorrow I'm going to be home and I'm going to spend some days there. So today I was supposed to go to town to buy some material because I have curtains to make. There are many. I'm going to make them next week, but I think today I'm not going to go to town. I don't know. So I'm going to clean. They are also taking my couch, and my furniture guy is also delivering some things here, and he's going to take my old couch, so to make for me another one. I'm doing some changes in my sitting room, and yeah, I'm just going for another vibe. I'm done with showering. Surprisingly, yesterday I was in the salon, but it is not so painful like it used to be. Had spent 5 years without doing braids, doing braids, but yeah, I did braids and I feel good with them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be cleaning, I'm going to be doing laundry, and I'm also going to be editing some videos. In the evening, I'm thinking of doing some sit down videos because when I go home, I'm just going to relax, be with the kids, play with them, yes, to have some good time with them. So I don't want to be stressed over YouTube. So I'm going to be filming some videos so that when I'm home, I'll be editing and maybe uploading. Yeah, that's how we're looking like. But let's continue with the vlog. I'm from doing my bed. I'm using this duvet cover. I'm doing white and plus some bit of colors. I think I need to buy more pillowcases because I think I have like 4 pairs of pillowcases, but I think I'm no longer in love with these. Yeah, look at my candle. Look at my candle. I made a candle like a few days ago. I think 2 weeks ago I made candles for me and my friend. So I bought more candles, and I think I'll just go to town and buy these so that I can make more, even for my friends, I think. And I also want to put more candles in my sitting room because I'm changing the setting and all that. But yeah, everyone needs a candle. Everyone needs a candle. But anyway, let's go. I actually changed my bedroom, guys. Look, I know that is weird, but I changed my bedroom. But I'm in love with it. If I get tired of something, I will just change. So my French guy is coming, and I also want him to make for me something like that. I've displayed that because I want him to get the idea of what I'm meaning, or of what I want. I want something that is equivalent to this laptop. And I put a few of my perfumes because I have some here. I have some things here that I would like to be on the display. And yeah, I hope he delivers. So let's go and do some laundry. So I almost forgot, guys. When I was home, I made shawarma with my brother, and we made it on 26th, and everyone loved it. Everyone did love it. I'm planning on doing more cooking videos on this channel, just like before, and fingers crossed you learn something from me. I love cooking so much. And yeah, that's what I had for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you loved everything. Stay safe, guys. Happy New Year, and check my love. Love you so much. I really love you so much, and thank you for supporting. So bye. Good day, guys. Love you.